Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Good morning everyone. I am Aswaradi of class 10. Yes, now it will probably be my last time speaking on this platform. I have come before you with lot of emotions and not really going to bore you. I have lot of memories with this place which shall remain with me forever. These precious and golden moments of our life will always be an important part and parcel of our lives. When we first entered the school, some of us used to cry for coming to school. But little did we know that these were the best moments of our lives, and while leaving the school, we of course have tears in our eyes. The little moments of our lives, playing in the playground, talking in the corridors, eating together with friends, talks and laughs, and also arguments, the arrangements for the school bell to ring before the recess time, and after that, we used to rush like some wild animals in a cage who have been left free. From UKG to 10th, it felt like home. The teachers who are so friendly with us, cared so much for us, and the way they used to teach us with fun. The day I still remember, when I sat with my juniors of class 3 and 4, I had fun seeing their innocence and talks, their way of joking, and want to go to home while a natak for stomach ache. Our class 10 memories of keeping cold drinks like Coke, Flower, Hitler, etc. How can 10th class ever forget the continuous clapping for no reason in the class that was the signature of us? Yasna Josna Ma'am, electricity chapter, and one more, the combination will never be forgotten. The way we used to have fun in your class and that used to change our mood, also Jiju word. 9th class memories of singing in class also got the punishment for that. Riddhi Kubra Priya got the flash of that. Some fun moments eating in class which was like a game and sitting and making lots of memories, and how can we forget the sleep we used to get in some class, especially Bhavani who used to sleep in ma'am's class of history. The way we used to sit together in 9th class as a whole and read, gonna miss the way principal ma'am used to talk in the assembly, also in the class, which kept motivating and supporting us and gave a lot of information, and the Nana word hit sweet. The way all the teachers guided us and showed us the difference between right or wrong. When we used to hate assignments, tests and holiday homeworks which teacher gave us, and we used to delay it, it though molded us into what we are today. The way teachers are friendly and learning time used to learn, but also fun is included. Now Joshna ma'am, your English dialogues and words are on fire. Vidya ma'am, the song Hamara chapter mein pyar hua, ikrar hua feels deep. On our trip, we got close to 9th class and also very close to the teachers. Pronoun and abstract noun hits. When we used to go to school, even on Sundays, those were the crazy ones. Zora ma'am, you are dear, and a idiot hits different. And getting the right answer, also written hence proved in the maths class, feels proud. One friend who irritates each other but with love, that chit chat and also sharing our tiffins, roasting our friends, and our craze on doing something. On and even the way we used to dance, sing, etc. The way me and Priya used to cry for maths, and then when we used to find it easy and say, it is so chindi, for all, that was the same word used for all the subjects. Some memorable moments in people. Priya, my benchmate, we had lots and lots of memories, those fun, and how she orders Coca-Cola every time. Sakshi, your mood is unpredictable, the way we laugh and argue. Aditi, your shouting of A loudly in the class, or tera sir jana baat pe. Javeria Pehelevi mein. Class 10 girls for dumb sharats. Yes. Friend sisters are our sisters. Going to eat pani puri and vada pav after an event with friends. At the time of rainy season, hits different in the school, the weather, the way we used to rush to send them back, and exam ke time mein luck ke upar MCQ solve karna. The competition between houses. Our group is basically gonna miss that adda in the school in which we used to have to meet and talk, also got scoldings for that. That desire to roam after every class. At the time of morning assemblies, the GK questions and the swapping of our attendance with our friends or saying it together. Priyaga ma'am, the talk we had in the hiking and fun with the pink color. Bharti and Aruna ma'am, the laziness of us not to do yoga but to games and request you. Laughing for silly things, those talks and all will be missed very much. Sabina ma'am, aapka always encouragement and motivation will be missed. Now we are moving ahead in our lives. We have to face the world outside. We have to be independent. My dear juniors, remember, school life is very precious. Don't waste your time. Learn with fun. Don't think it as a burden. There will be always ups and downs in life. Don't give up. Spend quality time and live your life. I'm sorry if I've hurted or misbehaved any time. I'm really going to miss the school days and school life. My friends, let's be in touch and always and make our school proud. At last, I would like to एक शायरी सुनाना चाहूँगी. आएगा याद वो स्कूल का ज़माना, वो एक दूसरे को बचाना. कोई एक परेशान है तो सब मिलकर उसको समझाना, वो साथ बैठकर हंसना मुस्कुराना, शरारत करके चुप हो जाना, वो फिजिक्स और मैथ्स के पीरियड में सो जाना, ना भूलेंगे वो दिन और बातें, अगर कुछ है तो यादें ही यादें। थैंक यू।
Standing here before you all to share my thoughts, express my gratitude, and remind about the golden days of our life, school days. We never understand the importance of life without darkness. Similarly, we never understand the importance of school until we come in 10th. 10th is not just a class, it is an emotion which makes the unforgettable journey with lots of experiences that shape us into an individual that we are today. Now, I would like to extend my warm gratitude to all my phenomenal teachers who guided us and committed us through to our growth. This is the light that guides us even after we step out of the school gates. And special thanks to Joshna Miss for capturing our moments that makes us more memorable and brings smile to our faces. Now, I would like to tell about my classmates who made this journey a colorful one, and yeah, their friendship is more special to me, as you all know that there is a special bonding in school friendship which withstand the test of time. This relationship is a foundation of our social fabric. As we look back, it brings a smile on our faces. School life teaches us more valuable lessons beyond textbooks, where we learn life skills such as discipline, teamwork, and whatnot. As I said you, 10th is an emotion for me, where I met the amazing gang of Sakshi, Bhavani, Priya, Astha, Riddhi, Aditi, and Kubra. Meeting them was the best part of my life. And also my friend Kriti and Sanjeevani, with whom I have beautiful memories. Thank you guys for making this journey a beautiful one. Now, I would like to express my feeling of 12 years journey through a short poem. स्कूल के दिनों का ये खूबसूरत सफर के खूबसूरत लम्हे, यादों में भरपूर साथ बिताए हर लम्हे, यादों में भरपूर साथ बिताए हर लम्हे, आए थे हम यहाँ रोते हुए और जा भी रहे हैं रोते हुए। रिश्तों का सिलसिला यारों का जहां बसाए, रिश्तों का सिलसिला यारों का जहां बसाए। देखते देखते ये 12 साल का सफर बीत गया, देखते देखते ये 12 साल का सफर बीत गया। खूबसूरत रिश्तों से यहाँ एक खूबसूरत परिवार बन गया, खूबसूरत रिश्तों से यहाँ एक खूबसूरत परिवार बन गया। इससे ये स्कूल हमारा दूसरा घर बन गया, इससे ये स्कूल हमारा दूसरा घर बन गया। यादों के पिटारे के साथ स्कूल के दिनों का ये खूबसूरत सफर आ गया अंतिम मोड़ पर। यादों के पिटारे के साथ स्कूल के ये दिनों का सफर आ गया अंतिम मोड़ पर। थैंक यू।
Good morning everyone. I am Vaishnavi from class 10, here to share my 12 years of school journey. When I started my schooling, this day seemed to be very far away, but time has passed so quickly. Every time when I come on the stage, there was one thing in my mind, to give my best. It is hard to digest that this might be my last chance, holding this mic, standing on the stage behind the podium. Firstly, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to Principal Ma'am, a person who is strict but a kind, sweet-hearted and caring person. Thank you, Ma'am, for leading me through the right path. The person who enlightened our lives, who gave us a lot of knowledge and helped us to grow into a better person. And that's whom we call Guru in our language. The teachers who taught me from primary class to the teachers in the high school, I would like to thank each and every one of them for bringing out the best version in me. A special mention to Kunda Miss, who built the base for me. Thank you so much, ma'am. I can never express your favor. Thank you, Sabina Miss, for molding me. Thank you, Zora Miss, for always being there like a best friend. Thank you, Praga Miss. You have always taken care of me like a mother. I got two more teacher as a best friend. That is none other than Nagajosna Miss and Joshna Miss, with whom I had fun and learnt a lot. Good friends are like stars who do not always see them, but they know they are always for you. Thank you all my dear friends for being with me. It's not been long, I got my two besties from 8th standard, Dhanvi and Bhumika. who have always taken care of me. These 2 years of 9th and 10th were the best for me as I enjoyed the most with these two friends. Danvi is a person who always revealed my secrets. Bhumika is a person who always helped me with studies and she always loved me like no one else. These two are the one who tolerated my childish behavior and made my school life even more memorable. All the teachers and my friend kindly apologize me if anybody got hurted by my behavior. I'm sorry for that and continue to bow your love and blessings to me as you have always done. I would like to end my speech by a poetry in Kannada. ಮುಂಜಾನೆಯ ಮಂಜಲ್ಲಿ ನೆನೆದೆ ನಾನಿನ್ನಿಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳೆದ ಆ ದಿನಗಳೇ ನೆನಪಾಗಿದೆ ನನಗಿಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವೆಯ ನೀ ಹಿಂದಿರುಗಿ ಮಿಡಿಯುತ್ತಿದೆ ನನ್ನ ಮನ ಕರಗಿ ಬಂದರೆ ನೀ ಹಿಂದಿರುಗಿ ಜನಿಸುವೆನು ನಾ ಮರಳಿ ಸ್ನೇಹದ ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಳಿತಿರುವೆ ಈ ಮನದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳದೆ ಕಣ್ಮರೆಯಾದೆಯ ಯಾವುದೋ ನೆಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ನಗಿಸಲು ಬರುವೆಯ ನೀ ಮರಳಿ ಮರಳಿ ಬಂದು ಬಿಡು ನೀ ಹೃದಯಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಡಿ.
Saying goodbye to your classmates and teachers is the most difficult thing that school has never taught us. Good morning to everyone. I am Aditi Khodiar Patel from class 10, here to share my school experience. I am a person who believes in the life of cycle of life, but I don't believe saying goodbye. I am going to miss each and everyone over here in one way or the other way. Talking about my teachers, first of all, thank you so much, Principal Ma'am, for guiding me and teaching me each and everything from class 4 to 10th. Now talking about my class teacher, thank you so much, Praga Ma'am, for motivating me, and Zora Ma'am. Of course, you always try to teach us about the time management, but most of us fail to understand that. But rather than learning it, but time got filled with lots of memories. And of course, ma'am, whenever you will wear specs, I will keep falling for you. And now talking about Joshna ma'am, thank you so much, ma'am. Always keeping my things to you, and you always kept yourself busy capturing our memories. Even if I sit whole day talking about you, it's not enough for me. Now talking about Vidya Miss, Miss, I'm really sorry I asked you questions 2 times because I don't understand it 1 time. And thank you so much for taking care of me as a child. And now talking about PT teachers, thank you so much for us teaching physical education. Now talking about Savina Miss, thank you so much, ma'am, for teaching me how people are really, how they actually are in this world. And thank you so much for guiding me in many ways. And one big thing I learned from this school is, which has been a lesson for me, that how to achieve my goal in a shortest time. Talking about my friends, I really thank each and everyone who has been a part of my life. Starting from Dhanvi, thank you so much for seeing the reality about everyone, admiring me. Thank you so much for that. And Subramaniam and Vinay, thank you so much for motivating me as a big brother. Thank you for that. And even I want to thank my group, Sakshi, Bhavani, Kubra and Riddhi and Javeria. Thanks for that. And at last, I want to thank you for 3 people who were in my life in each and every time. Whenever my life has took a really different turn, they have been always with me. Even they saw me falling and even raising me up. That is Asta, Priya and Alvin. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.